What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. We are here for the Lotto Friday preparation, try to give you the education that you need to succeed. I really appreciate all of you guys being here. Why don't you go ahead and start off by letting me know where you're tuning in from tonight? I'll throw you up on the board. And what we have to do here, we're going to retweet this real quick and get some of our members out here, our friends, to come and learn live now. Come learn how to trade options. Let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Boom. See if we can get some more people out here. So let's go. Who do we got in the building today? We have Sin Trade from New York. Mike Jones from sunny South Florida. Johnny Trades from Houston, baby. Brent from Seattle. We have donation already on the block. Jonathan Brassfield with the $5. Alexandria, LA, living the Trading Wars Fib life, and it feels great no matter what the market conditions are. Thanks, Rich. Thanks, brother, man. You've been donating a lot. I know you're banking and making a lot, man, and I appreciate that donation. It helps me out a lot. So let's keep it rolling. Sundaram, Kitchener, Ankit, Tampa. Clark, welcome back, my friend. West Palm Beach. It's nice over there. Marietta from Fiji. Awesome, awesome. I love Fiji. Vic from Vancouver. Trent from Michigan. Rafa from Mexico City. Walt from Florida. Mr. Days from Ferndale. Casper from Utah. And let's do one more. Let's shout out to Elaine. Welcome back. Jersey Short. Okay, so I guess there's a Jersey Long. So there we go. Boom. Oh, Jersey Shore. Sorry. There we go. Jersey Shore. Actually, funny story. I actually went to the Jersey Shore house earlier this year. I went to the Jersey Shore and I got a tour of the house, and it was pretty fun. It was pretty fun. Went to the Jersey Shore house. I got some t-shirts from the t-shirt shop. Do you guys know about that show? Hit me with a 1 if you guys watch Jersey Shore, or if you've watched Jersey Shore. Hit me with a 1. So maybe we can get sponsored from Jersey Shore. Who knows? Who knows? With what I'm doing to change the world here, guys, everybody should be lining up to sponsor us. That's how we do it. All right. So there we go. All right. So let's get into it. Let's talk about the picks. But what I want to do first is I'm gonna reverse the order today. I'm gonna talk first about how you can use the picks that I post every day, how you can use those to take trades. So hit me with the 3 if you guys like that. So we're gonna go ahead and do reverse. We're gonna talk about the picks for tomorrow, and then we're gonna do the review of the picks from today. How's that sound? Okay, good. So we have right here some more donations coming in. I guess you guys made some good money today. Sashikant with the $2 super sticker. Oh, let me check out that super sticker, brother. And then Will with the $4.99. Your strategies were great. Made some money on Microsoft today. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys, man. That's how it is, man. If you guys make money, you want to support me, I think that's fair. You know, that's how it should be, man. If somebody's helping you and they're doing a good job, you're making money, then you don't mind giving them back some money. But it's the other way around in this community. They want to pay you. They want you to pay $10,000 first, and you didn't even make any money yet. You know what I mean? It's pretty crazy. So let's start off with Neil. Okay. So I got a bunch of picks here. Let's start off with the picks that I posted. Tesla, Neo, MU, and Snap. So right here, guys, on Neo, we have a very rare double inside bar pattern. So let's go ahead and let's see the last time we had a double inside bar pattern. 1 second, guys. Let's see the last time we had a double inside. So the last time we had a double inside was, oh my God, I can't even see it. Is this right? So April of 2019 was the last time we had a double inside bar. And you could see from that double inside bar, we did have a pretty clean flush. So I don't actually know. Here's another one. So July of 2019, this one didn't really lead to much. And let me just see if there was any other. No. So the double inside bar pattern is a very powerful pattern. The main reason it's very powerful is because we are actually consolidating for 2 days in a row where the range is getting tighter and tighter. So what does that mean? It means that if you look at the range from today, it was about a 2% range or less. And the range from the previous day was about a 3% range. So when we are tightening and tightening up in the range, we're chopping. when we chop, guys, what do you think is happening to option premiums? What do you guys think is happening to option premiums? When we are just decaying and we're chopping around like that, we're just going sideways. What's going to happen to the premiums? Options, they want the stock to move, right? They want the stock. Let me add this before I forget. They want the stocks to move. So when it's not moving, the premium is going to decay, is going to burn. Okay. So now what we're looking for tomorrow, we're going to come here on the 5-minute chart and we're going to look for trading opportunities tomorrow because we know the option premiums are already going to be at a good price. So the strategies that I have, guys, they're in my book and I'm going to talk about it here. But, you know, obviously I do a lot more extensive discussion and I have like 75 charts in the book to show you. But right here, guys, we're pretty much going to be dealing with the drill down method. That's the method I created, the drill down method. And I have my indicators on the chart to help guide me. But essentially what we're going to be looking for is this. I'm going to do right here. We're going to be looking for opening range breakouts. We're going to be looking for triggers, and we're going to be looking for fractal trades. And finally, we're going to be looking for Fibonacci. Okay. So the opening range breakout, I'm going to show some examples when we go to the picks. But essentially what we're doing is we're going to take the first 5, 3, or 15-minute bar. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the breakout. So for example, here was the first 5-minute bar of today. So we're going to let our calls, we're going to take the break above high or the break below the low for when it breaks a low, calls when it breaks a high. And you can see this one right here broke the high, went to a good high over there and then came back down. So we're just looking for good moves when we break the opening range. Okay. We can also do that on the 3-minute chart. Let's go down to the 3-minute. So here was the 3-minute from today. You can see a nice hammer bar right off of the open, guys, taking the break above. We had a good, good 1-to-1 push right there. And that's still good money right there. So that's the opening range breakout. We can also do the 15-minute chart. Let's look at the 15 now. So here we go. Here's the 15-minute chart today. And as you can see, here's the first 15-minute bar. And this one, we had a little break and a fake out and came back down. Okay. So right there, guys, what we have is the opening range. So here real quick with a 1, if you guys understand that. What do you guys think? Hit me with a 1 if you guys understand the opening range breakout. And what I'm gonna do here is let me link some videos that I did. I'm gonna link it in the chat here so you guys can watch those videos. So here we go. So this one, we got ads. So this one right here is the full trading strategy advanced opening range breakout. So this one, guys, here, I'm gonna just copy it right here. You guys can watch this video later if you need some more guidance on the opening range breakout. I did a whole video on it, so you can watch it right there. Okay, so there we go. So there's the video, and we did a high level. Now let's move on. Sorry, guys, I know I am lagging. I am suffering from hotel Wi-Fi because I've been on the road. I'm at the Hard Rock right now, and I'm apologize for this choppiness. But you know what? Hit me with a 3 right now if you can hear me okay. Hit me with a 3 right now if you can hear me okay. Real quick. And again, I apologize for that. I'm gonna be leaving soon, so we're gonna get the good Wi-Fi back up in here. Okay. All right. So there's opening range breakout. The next thing we're gonna look at is triggers. So triggers, guys, I put the trigger levels on the chart for you. The trigger is essentially these 2 yellow lines. So this yellow line is a trigger. So the trigger line to the high, so right around here, if we break above this yellow line, we're gonna go for calls. We're gonna go long because we're looking to trap some short traders from yesterday. If we break the lower line, we're gonna go puts. We're gonna be looking to short to the downside. Okay, and because we're looking to trap any buyers that were in this from the previous day. So if we break above the trigger, we're trying to trap the shorts. If we break below the trigger, we're trying to trap the bulls. So we're looking for the trigger to break and have a quick directional move. Okay. And then let me find the video I did on the trigger for you guys. And this is before, if you understand that one. So the trigger is the simplest one. It's not really difficult at all. It's kind of just, it breaks the line. You take that direction, it breaks the other line, take the other direction. Okay. So let me just hit that here. I'm going to copy that and I'm just going to put this in here for you guys to check it out. Okay. So that's a trigger video. All right. So the next thing that we have, guys, is fractal trading. So what exactly is fractal trading? Well, as you guys know, the Trading Wars patterns that I use the Trading Wars inside bar, Trading Wars double inside bar, the Holy Grail, and the Nirvana. So I have 4 patterns that I primarily use. 4. Okay. So the fractal trade means, so if we start off on, let me just skip over real quick to Oracle. Okay. So Oracle was one of my bonus picks for my members. Let me just show you guys. So every day I do bonus picks for the members. So Oracle was one I kept for the members. I didn't put on the public because I had a good feeling about this one. So Oracle went, guys, for about 300 or 400%. It was a really nice pick. But let me explain to you what a fractal trade is. So now if I go to the daily chart on Oracle, oh my God, I can't even believe we call this, man. Look at this crap. It's beautiful. So a fractal trade is this. We had an inside bar that closed the previous day on Oracle. So now I went down to the 5-minute chart and I'm looking for fractal trades. Okay. So a fractal trade means I'm looking for an inside bar, a Nirvana, any one of my patterns on the 5-minute chart instead. So right here, guys, we have the first fractal pattern, which is an inside bar on the 5-minute. That one, we take that short right there, stop right above the high. That was a winner. And then we had the Trading Wars Nirvana pattern. This is my Nirvana pattern. Anything that's highlighted in blue is the Nirvana pattern. Okay. So this one right here, we break below the low, stop above the high. Beautiful, beautiful entries, opening range breakout, and the trigger. So this is a case, actually, Oracle was, all of the setups worked today. So Oracle was like magic. All the setups work. Opening range breakout, fractal trades, inside bar, a trigger, Fibonacci, everything worked. So that's a fractal trade. Okay. So hit me with a 6 real quick if you understand fractal trades. Hit me with a 6. Okay. And I'm just going to go back where we were. If I can get it. There we go. All right. And then the last thing, guys, is the Fibonacci. So the easiest thing to do with the Fibonacci, guys, is I have a Fibonacci video to watch because it's more complicated and it's going to take a long time to explain. But I have a book on Fibonacci that I wrote a long time ago here, and I have this video right here at the bottom. You guys should watch this video right here. Okay, I actually did a little bit of a trading course for Fibonacci, so I think it's about 3 parts. So you just want to watch that. Watch this one. It'll do a better job than me trying to explain it right now. I'm gonna link it right here in the chat. Okay. So check that out for the fibs. All right. So now we have the tools. Okay. We have the tools. We have the orbs, the trigger, fractal, and the fibs. So the picks for tomorrow, we have the Neo double inside. We have MU with a single inside, but I like this inside bar because there's a lot of trap traders. We have Snap with a single inside. I like this one again because we had a pretty steep sell-off. And then we have Coin, which is one of them as well. A Holy Grail, Moderna also inside. I'm going to give you guys some of the bonus ones for free. X, ATVI inside, PayPal with the inside, CRM with another inside, a nice pullback here. I like that one. Marvel right here inside, Roku inside, Spy. I'm just going to show you guys some stuff on that. And then we have the picks from yesterday. All right. So I gave you guys some more free bonus picks just for coming along and just for listening. Okay. So hit me with the 8 real quick if you're following me so far. Hit me with the 8 real quick. If you're following me so far, you understand, everything makes sense. Because I get a lot of questions every single day. And the best thing for me to do is do these videos so that I can try to teach a large audience. I can't answer everyone's questions because there's too much. So I have to try to do these videos, try to answer them. All right. So let's go ahead. And now what we're going to do, we're going to start off with now we're going to do the recap. We're going to do the recap. Okay. So with the picks from yesterday, what did we have? We had Spy. Let me go ahead and pull it up for you guys. Spy, Microsoft, Tesla, and Apple. These were the picks from yesterday. So let's go ahead with Spy. And so I'm going to hit the replay. Oops. Okay, hold on one second. Let me fix that. So I'm going to hit the market replay right here. So we have the first bar right here. This is an inside bar close, right? So what do you guys think is happening to the option premium? So this is how we close yesterday. Okay, so we closed yesterday with an inside bar. So what do you think happened to the option premiums? Did they get hit? Did they decay or did they increase? What do you guys think? So because these are the ones I like a lot. We have a big body bar like this. And then the next day we have a tight bar. That's really good because on the big body bar, the premiums, the option premiums are going to be rising like crazy. And then on this small body bar, the premiums are going to get hit. Do you guys understand that? That's a very important. Let's do a pen and pad alert right now. A pen and pad out, okay? We're going to do a pen and pad alert right now. Get the pen and the pad out, and I want you guys to write this down. When we have big body candles, what happens is the option premiums get a spike because the volatility there's a higher implied volatility because of the big range of the bar. So the option premiums are going to be very expensive. But if we can come and we can get it the next day, like on an inside bar setup when the range is tightened up, okay? When the range is tightened up, now the option premiums are gonna decay, okay? So surfing trends, I see you with the 15-minute IB. We'll talk about that. Boom, Mike Jones with $1.99. Because of you, I'm finally making small gains. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Slow and steady. Build your way up there, and you'll get there, brother. All right, so let me go ahead. I don't know why my triggers always disappear, but let's put the trigger back on. So 433.89. So 433.89. And the one to the upside was 436.97. 436.97. Okay. All right. So right here, guys, we are here on SPY. So the first, am I looking at this right? 1 second, guys. I think I might have made a mistake. SPY 29, 436.97 and 433.89. Okay, yes, we're good. Okay, so here we go. We have the two triggers. We're going to play the first bar and we're going to talk about the setups. Boom. All right, so here's the first 5-minute bar. What is the first setup that we can do right off of the bat? What do you guys think? Help me out. So the first 5-minute bar, let me go down to the 3-minute also. So we have a 3-minute bar here. And in this case, we also have an inside bar on the 3-minute. We'll come back to that. So the first thing we can do off the 5-minute bar here is we can go ahead and take the opening range breakout. So boom, there we go. Clean. That's just clean money right there. That's a good 1-to-1. That's a good money right there. Short right below this low, stop up here on somewhere on the candle, high, wherever. You guys know the advanced stop loss method. Boom, take that down, guys. That's 1-to-1. That's good money right there. Right off the first 10 minutes, walk away with 25, 30, 40% done for the day. Okay, you could do that easily. Move on. Now we have an inside bar. So let's go ahead to the alerts and make sure that the alerts came in. So today, 9:45, SPY inside bar. Okay, this is this inside bar. So with this bar, we can play the bar. This is a fractal trade. Okay, boom, there we go. That's another 1-to-1 right there, guys. So very clean. So if you guys are the type of scalpers, like if you're coming in, you're hitting these for a bar at a time, taking bar by bar, boom, boom. That's 2 winners right there. Okay, let's continue. Then we had more sideways here. Then we started approaching the trigger. We had another inside bar right there, guys. And then this one created Nirvana. Okay, so we have an inside bar followed by an outside bar. We have the Trading Wars Nirvana pattern right there. So that's what the blue indicator is. We have the Nirvana, and then check this out. Okay, check this out. Boom, 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 boom. And then now we trigger. Okay, so this Nirvana here, let me see. So this one, this was tough. If you're playing it to the long side, definitely fake out. If you were playing it to the short side because the trigger was down here, you could have used this for an early entry if you were playing it to the downside. But if not, right here, guys, even you take that little false breakout, boom, you got to stop out. You got to stop out when it comes here. But it's okay because right after that, we get another inside bar right there and another one right here going into big, big flush territory. Okay, so let's just make sure those came through. SPY inside bar, okay? And then boom, check this out. Here's your trigger. So we have now double inside bars coming down, trigger, boom. Let me go just fast forward. There we go, guys. Look at that flush. Beautiful. All right. So sometimes you're not gonna get, sometimes you might get poked out. It's okay. Take a stop loss, reassess, look for the next setup. You know, very fair here on SPY. If you're just playing the triggers, very clean. Okay. And what I'm gonna do here now is I'm about to take this into overdrive and I'm about to hit these with some Fibonacci. Okay, so if you're ready for the overdrive Fibonacci's, hit me with a 2 and I'm gonna go power mode, Power Ranger, level up. Okay. I'm going to go serious here. I'm going to give you guys some fib power. All right. So hit me with the 2 real quick. We're going to go powerful fibs. All right. So we're going to start off first and foremost. We have the first 5-minute bar. So first 5-minute bar, guys, what we're going to do right here, we're going to take the fib. We're going to stack it on the first 5-minute bar right there like this. Now check this out. Okay. This is very important now. Very, very important. Make sure you're paying attention. See, we had the 618 algo fill right there. 618 algo fill right here. And look at this. Algo trades to the 618 extension. Very, very important. That's what we call harmonic trading. 618, 618. So that's very important. So you're taking that first bar, you can start limiting up on these fibs, or you can even drill down. You can drill down to the 1 minute now. Okay. So make sure you're paying attention. We can drill down to the 1 minute. So let's go all the way to the beginning of the day. Now check this out. On the 1 minute, you can see it clearly. Here's your first 5-minute range. On the 1 minute, we come here and we reject. You see that? This is a drill of a drill. Let's call this the double drill down. The double drill down. Okay? Check this out. If you want to see the candlesticks, like if you don't want to just limit order, you can come down here. Look at this right here on the 618. There's your rejection right there. Here's your 618. Here's your extension. Look what we have here. We have a hammer, and then we have the Nirvana pattern right there on the 1 minute. Okay, that one takes you back up. Okay, so beautiful. That is very beautiful. I mean, that's kind of advanced, guys. That's what we do over here. We do advanced things over here. All right, so that's the first one. Very clean. And then I'm going to show you guys some few things now. So we have that. We have this push down leg. This push down like this. What we can do now is Fibonacci now from the high, like this. And as you can see here, guys, this one played out as well, but this one got a little bit dangerous, right? This one, it came back, it tagged the fibs, and it almost broke the high, but it didn't. So that's why if you're taking some limit orders, you have to stop above the high. Okay, you could have to stop above the high of that leg, right? And then we have that follow through. But now we start having these micro legs. Now this is very important. Micro legs are very important. Okay, all these stuff, guys, I talk about in the book extensively. I'm just showing you guys here to give you a taste. Now, okay, here we go. $5 from brother Jonathan. Now now that I understand how to use my fib, my trading game is going into beast mode. I played down and up, making money both ways. That's the whole point, because you know where the algos are coming in, you know where they're coming out. Like, you don't know for certain, but you know with high probability that this is where they can be. Okay, so now let's go. Now we're going to overdrive. Here we go. Now we have the opposing leg right here. Beautiful. Watch closely. Okay, so we have this push down, pull back to the 618 exactly. Okay, then we trade. Look at this, to the 618 exactly. Okay, I'm going to pause right here for a second and just hit me with the 7 if your mind is blown. You could see today the algos were focusing on the 618. We had a 618 on the first 5-minute bar. Then we had this pullback here on the 618, trade to the 618 extension, and reversal again. So hit me with the whatever number I said. Hit me with that real quick, guys, if your mind is blown, because my mind is blown. My mind is every single time. All right, so that's that leg. So guys, you can also play reversal. You can play the reversal because you know where the completion can be. And it doesn't get that, because at the completion, you also have an inside bar. At the completion, you also have an inside bar giving you double the confirmation. All right, now let's go ahead here and let's do the next leg. So the next leg is the sequence leg, okay? The sequence leg right here, We take it from this high, we bring it down to this low right here, guys. Look at this. Another, no, another 618. My God. Look at this now. Push, pull to the 618. Again, we flip over again. Look at this. This time, the shorts are, you could see, look, we tried at the 6, but they were just too powerful. All right. So there we go, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. I love it. For me, I'm playing kind of the earlier legs as possible that I can in the day, because I don't want to be staring at the chart all day, but there are definitely good legs in the later on in the day. I'm going to show you. This is the afternoon leg, right? From my book. You guys know about this. Let's take the full range from the high to the low like this. And oh no, he didn't. He didn't do it, guys. He did not do it again. He didn't do it again. Look at this, guys. Nirvana pattern right on the 50% Fibonacci retracement. Look at this. This is my work. This is my blood, sweat, and tears, guys. Look at this right here. Take full range. That's what we call the afternoon leg. Look at this. We come back to the 50, guys. We put in that holy grail into Nirvana. Bam. Boom. So many great opportunities. I think it's very, very, very fair with you guys. I trust you. Trust me, guys. If you understand the fibs and you add that to your toolkit, you're going to be good. You're going to be good to go, guys. All right. So, and honestly, guys, I'm going to be honest with you. This book right here, this book is $88.60. That's a steal. That's a steal. I'm going to tell you right now, that's a steal. I'm going to tell you right now. Okay. So that is SPY. I don't necessarily want to go into that much detail because I know it's going to confuse a lot of people, but you know what? Hit me with a 9 if you like that. Brother right here. Let's see what my brother said here. Jonathan said, I had a perfect V on GME today using the fibs. Show the chart, Rich, if you have time. I won on puts and calls. Okay, let's take a look. GME. Here's the 5. So right here off the bat, I'm going to draw some fibs. We have this first leg. Push down, pull back to 786, trade to the extension, 786 again. I can't make this up. Look, push down, trade to the 786, trade to the 786 extension. And now look at this. At the 786, we have an inside bar. Don't tell me that's the low of the day. Hold on a second. Is that the low of the day? It is. I don't even know what to say. Beautiful. Okay, there's that. And we have afternoon leg right over here. Look at this. Push, pull to the 618. Holy grail setup. Take it back down. Beautiful. Okay, and then we have this squeeze later on in the day. And with the squeeze, we can take the low to the high right here. There we go. Okay, 886 right there. Boom. So when you get accustomed with the fibs, you're just taking those setups because you know you have a good risk to reward. If you hit on half of them, you're gonna make money. Okay. All right, we gotta pick it up. We gotta pick it up because we're running out of time. We are running out of time. So let's go. Microsoft. So Microsoft was another pick. We had a nice inside bar, and guess what, guys? Microsoft set up the Nirvana pattern, ready to go for tomorrow. So we had an inside bar yesterday. And then we had a break above and a break below the trigger. So that's what we call an outside bar. So when you're dealing with this, guys, let's go ahead. First 5-minute bar. 5-minute bar comes in. Opening range breakout right here. Okay. Opening range breakout. Okay. Good money. That's good money. Let's take the Fibonacci of the previous day's range. You guys know how we do this from the book. Extend it. Beautiful. I mean, it's so beautiful. I don't have words anymore. Because I've been teaching you guys this every single week, guys. Look at this. Look at this. 272 extension. I teach it to you every single week, guys. Look at this. Hits the 272. The algos dump the position, and we just flip right over, guys. I can't. I don't even think. I don't think this is legal. I don't think I can be telling these secrets like this. It's crazy, guys. Guys, I'm teaching. Look at this, guys. Have these Fibonacci on your chart. What are other people saying about this? Why are people saying that Microsoft? Somebody tell me. There's only one reason, guys. We have a measured move. Measured move. Here's the previous day's range. We measure 272 algorithm dump. This happens on everything. Okay? It's just exceptional, man. It's exceptional. I'm about to cry right now. It's exceptional. All right. So here we go. So we had the opening range breakout. Check this out. Then we had this fib. Boom. Pull back to the 50. Trade to the 0.169. Beautiful. Okay. So we had the opening range breakout. We had the fib pullback. We had the trigger. So the trigger, I always tell you guys, if you're going to take the trigger, so the trigger is the white line. If you're going to take that trigger break, you have to be out into these targets, at least some of the position, at least some of these position. Okay. At least some of it. Right. Not all. You don't have to do all of it, but you got to take some of it. I always tell you guys that. Always tell you guys that. But really and truly, the bet, because you could see this opening, you see this opening bar here. If you took the opening range breakout, that would have been a little bit better because we're getting in before the trigger. This and otherwise in that we had that Fibonacci pullback with a Nirvana, guys. Fibonacci pullback with the Nirvana is money. That's money. Look at this. Low to high. Okay. Pull back to the 50, Nirvana pattern setups. Trade to the 0.169 extension, absolutely beautiful. And then for my reversal traders, like you, I don't know, do you guys trade reversals? Do I have reversal traders here? Do you guys only follow the breaks, or do you guys reverse? So with a 1, if you're a breakout trader, 2, if you're a reversal trader. I need to see. Boom. My brother Clark again with the $2. Thank you, Rich, so much. Great night. Great night, brother. Yeah, I'm getting all hyped up here, guys. How many of you guys are breakout traders? How many of you are reversal traders? Because you guys know we can do both ways, right? I show you guys how to do both ways. I teach you guys both ways. Okay? But you have to, so it's all about, you have to think about yourself, think in your head, like, what's worth my money? What's worth my money? If you take a reversal shot and you get it good, you can make 3-4 times your money. Guys, if you bought the puts up here, you would have made all the way down, guys. Would have easily made maybe triple or double to triple. Okay, so very, very beautiful. I like that. So, and then later on in the day, we had that pullback, and then right off of the top, I could see another Fibonacci right there. Boom, boom, 0.618 again, 618, take us down. So this one's a little bit tougher, I'm not gonna lie, but it's still opportunities. Okay, boom, Bearslav Michik again with the New Zealand 899 super sticker, brother. Appreciate that. Let's see that. Thank you very much, my sir. Beautiful. All right. So let's continue. Tesla. So Tesla, I'm not gonna say much about it. It was just basically a waste of a day because Tesla came and now it formed the double star. Okay, so Tesla didn't trigger the previous day because it never broke out of the range. Instead, it stayed within the range. So Tesla was basically an inside and an inside. So now that's why Tesla's on our list for tomorrow, because it got tight even more. Okay, I still see some decent setups here, guys, like these inside bars. Look at this double outside bar. That's a very rare pattern. Double outside bar, that's a rare one. I still see some good fractal trades. There are some fibs, but I'm not going to waste your time there because we're already at 35 minutes. Okay, next one is Apple. So Apple right here was the trigger from yesterday. So the trigger was 144.41. The high of this bar was 144.38. So we never broke the trigger, which is why I have my levels. I have my levels for in a certain place because I know where it needs to go to break, and I know where it needs to go to reverse. Like I have an idea based on the way I draw my lines. Okay, so that's why in this case right here, that's why my line is up here, because I needed to trigger here to go long. In this case, it doesn't get there. See what I'm saying, guys? Boom. $1.99 with Gabe Fisher. Boom. With the finger right there. Appreciate that. I played 5-minute on made money before trigger happened. Boom. All right, good stuff, guys. Okay, so for Apple, what do we have? So right off the bat, we had an opening range breakout. That's a fail. Okay, so opening range breakout failed. No problem. We reset. What do we have next? Inside bar. Okay, you don't like that one? No problem. Take that one. Okay, you don't like that one? No problem. You take this one. Okay, you don't like that one? No problem. Take this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 inside bars in a row popping up on the Fractal Trades, all making money, guys. This is an easy one to take right at the beginning of the day. Inside bar, come to the alerts right here. Apple inside bar, guys. You take a chance here, breaks the low, put the stop up here. Okay, that's just a chance. You're taking a shot. Say, okay, this is not a bad chance here. If the market goes sour, I have an inside bar. I know where I got to cut my losses. But what about if it works? Let's see what happens. You short right here, guys. You stop on the other side of the bar like this. Now look at this. At the very lows, it's about 8 times your money. 8 times your money, guys. You're risking 1 bar, you make 8 times your money. That's very impressive. You're risking 1 bar, you're making 8 bars. 8 bars, guys. If you risk 1 bar at a time, you make 8 bars one time. You don't have to do anything for the rest of the week. Nothing. Or what you can do is now you can, going in tomorrow, you already made money, you protect yourself. You come in with half the size that you normally do. Okay. I mean, it was a nice, beautiful play. And then obviously Oracle was the one for members. I don't have anything else to say about Oracle except that it was absolutely exceptional, beautiful play. And the reason why, I'm going to tell you guys something important right here. So hit me with a 9 real quick. I'm going to tell you guys something important about how I pick these picks. Hit me with a 9 real quick. And I'm going to show you guys something why Oracle was probably my number 1 pick. I'm going to tell you guys why. Okay, so hit me with a 9. All right, so here we go. So Oracle was very important to me because of this. We had this breach of the previous all-time high. Okay, let me just make sure. Yes, we had this breach of the previous all-time high. And right when we came to that all-time high, guys, what pattern is this? I want to see who follows me. What pattern is that? What pattern is that, guys? Rafa, RJ, thanks for all, Rich. Can you check Square? Sure, brother. I'll check it right after. What is that? What is that? Who knows? I want to see who's been paying attention. This is the no. You guys are all wrong. This is the shotgun pattern. Remember, I told you guys about this is one that I normally do on the weekends. It's a shotgun pattern. There we go, right here. Boom, shotgun. This is the shotgun because we have double wicks. Boom, boom. We're shotgun. We're loading it up, guys. We're loading it up. Look, wick. We're loading it up, pulling it back. It's a shotgun, and then bam. What I liked about this trade was we broke into new all-time highs. We reversed right off the bat. We put in the shotgun setup here, guys. And then we know that every single bull that bought this breakout, is going to be trapped. Do you agree with me? Every single breakout buyer and their grandmother and their mother and their father are trapped. Hit me with a 5 if you agree with me. So this is how the conversation goes. Okay, let me show you guys. Let me tell you guys. Now, this is how the conversation is going to go. People, they're on Twitter, they're on social media, they follow somebody, whatever. Oh my God, Oracle new 52 weeks high, baby. Yeah, Oracle new 52-week high shows up on my scanner. Yeah, guys, I'm going to post this for all my followers. Oracle 50 new. Hold on a second. Let me show you this. This is how it actually looks at the time. They're going to show you this chart right here. Like this. Okay? Oracle 52 new high, guys. Look at the breakout. Beautiful breakout. And that's it. And then what's going to happen is the new traders are going to be naive because they're so new to the game. And they're going to get tricked. And they're going to be like, oh my God, Oracle is going. It's going without me. And now I got to get all my money in my bank account and I got to put into Oracle because this guy told me on Twitter it's breaking out and it's going straight to the moon. So I'm going to call my mom. I'm going to call everybody. And I'm going to put money in Oracle. And then what happens today? They don't have a stop loss. They don't have any protection. They have nothing. Okay. Now, when Oracle starts pushing down here, it broke the previous day's low. It broke the low before that. And now what's going to happen? Now panic. This is what panic looks like. Right there. All right. So hit me with the 3, honestly. Hit me with the 3 if you guys understand what I'm talking about. Have you been there? I've been there. I've been there as a new trader. I followed people I thought were smart. Like I follow them. But I never realized that the reason they're telling me breakout is so I can buy the shares that they're selling. I never understood that until I've been in the game for a long time. Now I understand they're saying breakout so they can sell me their shares. It's unfortunate. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with buying the breakouts, but here's the thing. Even if you took this breakout, guys, your stop loss has to be below this inside bar right there. Okay? You should not be holding on through all of this. You can't do that. Okay? Doesn't the SPY crash today be the real reason without SPY going down, Oracle would have actually broken high? No. Every stock has its own story. Sometimes, yes, the index does play a factor. So if SPY is generally going up, it's going to go up. Like the stocks that are strong are going to go up, but they're all beta related, meaning some of them are going to move more violently than the index. And the reason for that is because there's going to be more trapped traders in certain names than others. And look, even though SPY went red today, there are stocks that went green. So it's not like that. I'm sharing my experiences with you guys. It's up to you guys to do whatever you want at the end of the day. It's totally up to you. I'm sharing what I've learned from losing my money in the markets. And I'm just trying to share you guys with what I know. And you take it forever, whatever you want to take it for, guys. But I just think that it's unfair sometimes for new traders because they're at a disadvantage. And what I recommend for you guys is this. I'm going to show you guys something, okay? This is what I'm going to show you something. So just hang on a second. Let me pull this up. Hold on one second. So I'm going to take a snip shot of this. 1 second. I'm going to bring it over here and I'm going to show you guys something, okay? This is what I recommend for you guys. I can't show you everything, but I'm going to show you some. 1 second. Okay. So I'm going to bring it over right now. Okay. So what I want you guys to do is this. What is this? What is this? Guys, this is my homework. This is my homework right here, guys. This is my back testing, my journaling, my logging. I'm putting the name of the ticker. Did I go long? Did I go short? Was it a win? Was it a loss? How much was the profit? I'm doing all of this, guys. So I'm speaking based on my experience, my back testing, and my trading. And I need you guys to do the same for yourself. Until you actually log your trades, replay the markets, practice the markets, look at winning streaks, losing streaks, drawdowns, targets, stop loss. Until you look at all of that, guys, you're not going to be successful in trading. You're not going to be successful in trading, guys. So do me a favor, do yourself a favor. If you're going to put your hard-earned money into this game, start backtesting, start logging your trades, start documenting everything, and that's how you're going to get better. Okay? So there we go. All right. So I feel like I pretty much covered everything. I wanted to talk about SPY. I did already. So we had the alerts in there, blah, blah, blah. Okay. I made through there. We talked about the book. Let's talk about the giveaway. Okay. So make sure that you guys sign up for the giveaway. This Sunday, Data Warrior is coming to our stream. Okay. And he's going to be sharing. He's a great trader. He's going to be sharing his story, his setups, etc. Like his, how to help new traders, all that. So what I need you to do is on that stream, we're going to be giving away between 3 to 5 books, depending on how many people that comes. Okay. So we're going to be giving away between 3 to 5 books. So make sure you guys sign up right here. Let me link this in the chat. Okay. I'm going to link that in the chat. Check it out. Make sure you sign up for the giveaway. All right. So that's it for me, guys. I think I'm pretty much done here, 45 minutes in. Guys, again, man, I'm sharing my experiences with you. I'm sharing my strategies with you. You have to go ahead and actually pull the trigger on the trade. You have to figure out which patterns you like trading more than others. You have to make sure that you do your due diligence, manage your risk, all of those things. I teach you guys all that. Okay, I teach you guys all of that. Watch the video. Somebody asked me about this earlier, so let me show this for you guys actually before you leave. Let me show you the beginners playlist because someone was asking me, hey man, I don't understand anything. Where do I start? Like, did you do a beginners playlist? Yes, I did. Right here, guys. Check this out. Here's my beginners playlist right here. So you go to Trading Words, you go to my beginners series and guide. Look at this. Simple beginner's guide to investing and trading, charts and timeframes, candlesticks, best chart patterns, Fibonacci, my trading playbook, the truth about dollar cost averaging. Look at all this right here, guys. Go through these. I put this together, guys, when I had 10 people following me. 5 people used to come up on the stream. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm going to do Square right now. So watch them. I put a lot of effort into them. It's going to help you. And let's look at Square for our brother right here before I forget. So Square, daily, nice inside bar. That's a nice setup right there, bro. So we'll do the same thing. Put your triggers. Okay. Put your triggers on that. Okay. Drill down to the 5. Your opening range breakout, your triggers, your fibs, you have everything. Okay, you have everything there you need. I like that one. I like that one. That's a nice one. All right. So here we go, guys. One more thing. I promise. It's the last thing. Okay. So a lot of people did DM me, and look, here's even some person is saying this right now. VJB, are you still planning on doing the SPY? So a lot of people DM'd me yesterday. A lot of people emailed me. And what I've been hearing is this. Rich, I lack focus. And I need to just focus on SPY or the Qs. So I'm going to be working hard this weekend. I don't know if I'm going to do it or not still. But I'm thinking about coming up with a specific SPY-only trading plan every single day, as well as a SPY weekly swing trading plan, just for SPY and possibly the Qs, QQQ, possibly NASDAQ. I think I'm just going to do that. I'm going to go into my Discord right here. I'm going to create a separate section. It's going to be SPY day trade. And the plan is going to be posted the night before. So you know what you got to do. Okay. And then it's going to have the SPY bot alerts for the fractals. And it's going to have another one right there. SPY swing trades is going to be posted on the weekend for the swings for the next week. Okay. But let me know right now in the comments below, not in this live chat. Let me know in the comments if you want it, because I can't be taking on more things than I already have right now unless I know for a fact you guys are going to support me. I can't. I just can't, because I think I'm going to die. I think I might have a panic attack. It's just so much stuff that I deal with on a daily basis. So if you guys are going to be there and you're going to support me, I will do it for you because I do it for myself anyways. So essentially, I'll just be trading. I'll be sharing what I do. All right. And so I need you to comment in the video. I need to see an outreach of I need it, I want it, and I will make it happen. Okay. So please hit me with a like right now, comment, subscribe. You know the drill. Take care of me and I'll take care of you guys. That's how we roll. We help each other out. If everybody makes money, then we're all good. No one should be taking money from someone without giving them value. That's the way that I live my life. Okay. So boom. Thank you very much. I am done for the night. I hope you learned something. I try to go reverse. So I started off with the picks for Friday and I showed you guys the ways you can play them. And I also gave you guys the links to the videos. Okay. Boom. Our brother right here again. Borislav Misic again with the New Zealand dollars right there. $16.99, brother. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. All right. So there it is. We are done. So when the video is done, you can comment and thank you so much and good luck tomorrow. The week was pretty good, I would say, especially if you were playing the put side. So don't do anything crazy tomorrow. All right. Thank you very much, my friends. Have a great night.